This is not weddings or anything.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to do
I
weddings.
know, she was afraid the last time I talked to her about that.
She's photography. That's what she went to school for. Art and
Oh, look at you.
Pretty girl. What a pretty girl. Livy.
You singing too?
We're gonna say, what are we gonna say? Happy birthday.
Ian, turn that lamp off just for now.
Yeah, sure, no
That
problem.
one too.
Let's make the wine bottle. This is blush.
Damn safeties.
You'll be thanking those safeties in another 6 months.
Yeah.
We're gonna sing.
Ready, Liv?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, it's okay. Happy birthday, dear Olivia. Happy birthday to you. Oh, breathe.
Come here, come here. Well, it's okay.
It's time for cake! Yay!
From her singing?
I don't know, yeah, I think so. Come on. You're a party girl. We know you're a party girl.
Good job.
Oh, I want the walk.
Aw.
Do you want